In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export your Kit subscriber list. This is a really useful process if you want to back up your audience, analyze performance in a spreadsheet, or move your subscribers into another tool. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and you're on your main dashboard. From there, look for the section labeled Grow. This is where all of your audience and subscriber tools live. Go ahead and click on Grow, and then select Subscribers. This will open up your full subscriber list, showing all the people who have signed up to hear from you. Once you're on the subscribers page, you'll see a table with all your contacts. At the very top left of that table, there's a checkbox. This checkbox is the shortcut to select everything in the list. Click that checkbox to select all of your subscribers. If you have multiple pages of subscribers, Kit will typically ask if you want to select all subscribers in your account, not just the ones on the current page. Make sure you confirm that so no one gets left out of the export. After you've selected all subscribers, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu, usually found above the list. This menu lets you perform actions on many subscribers at once. Click on Bulk Actions to open the drop-down. From the options in that drop-down, choose Export. By choosing Export, you're telling Kit to generate a file containing all the subscriber data you've selected. You don't have to stay on the page while it processes. The system will handle it in the background. Once you've started the export, the final step is to check your email inbox. Kit will send you a message with a download link to your CSV file once the export is ready. Depending on the size of your list, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. If you don't see the email right away, remember to check your spam or promotions folders. When the email arrives, open it and click the download link to save the CSV file to your computer. You can then open that file in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or import it into another platform for further use. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded your Kit subscriber list.